Okay, today is Tuesday, April 16, 2013. I've decided to hire a bee removal company to get rid of that bee hive. I don't know if it can be seen quite enough. Right there. It's been there for a number of years now, so we're estimating we're going to get at least 50 pounds of honey there. So this guy is brave enough to do this. Of course, he's wearing the proper suits, protective gear, and I'm going to bolt out of here when he starts messing with his bees, because they're going to be pissed off as hell when they start knowing that their hive will be no more. That's it for now. I'll videotape a little bit more later.